Okay, Hare Krishna devotees. Welcome to our Kartal tutorial video. So this video is going to be about 2-beat fast Kartal. Okay, and I would like to tell you that this is the most difficult part of learning Kartal or playing Kartal. Okay, many of the sorry devotees, they can play 3-beat Kartal slow, fast, very nicely. Even 2-beat slow Kartal also we can learn. You can watch our previous tutorial video. There we have learnt the theory and the practical as well. Now this is 2-beat fast. Okay, so there is a very, what I can say, little bit of difference between 3-beat fast and 2-beat fast. They will sound very similar when they will played with very fast speed. Okay, and even the moments are also 3. It is 2-bit fast, but it is 3, 1 to 3 is there like that. So that's why it is little confusing and difficult to learn, but we will try to simplify that in our today's video. Okay, now let's revise. First we will revise our 3-bit fast Kartal. Okay, so that we can differentiate when we play something wrong in the 2-bit fast Kartal. So 3-bit fast Kartal, how we have learned 1 2 3. What was that? This bottom part, 1 2 3. So bottom up middle, bottom up middle, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Now 2-bit fast Kartal, just try to differentiate. I will play now. Little slow. Okay, don't worry, I will tell how to play this, but you can see very small difference. This is 3-bit fast. This is 2-bit fast. Now we will learn 2-bit fast now. Okay, so only difference of timing. Okay, so 2-bit fast is, just remember, first one is close. Okay, middle. Okay, middle, then down, then upper, like this. So middle, down, upper. But how we play? One, two, three, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Got it? Little, I will try to play slow. Let's see. Sorry. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2. One two three, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1. Hope I could make you understand this, or you can stop the video, or you can play the video in the slower speed, 0.7 or 0.5, to see the Kartal. So again I will show. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2. Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me. So sometimes, many times 2-bit tal fast kartal we play wrongly as our 3-bit fast. Okay, but it doesn't sound good. But when it become very fast, it is very difficult to identify also if you are going wrong or not. Okay, so but if you practice this well, then we will be able to do it. In the upcoming video, I will show you how we can apply this in Kirtan. Okay, once let's practice it together. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. Again, to differentiate, how was the fast? The fast beat will end at in the middle, start at the bottom. 1 2 3 1 2 3, bottom, upper, middle. Now this 2 bits fast will end and at the top. Top of the left katal. Okay, little difficult, but you practice it, you will be able to do it.